What do the following three things have in common? The Earth's elasticity, the sun's energy, and Jupiter. This is just a short list of a very long list of specific criteria needed to fulfill scientific requirement. That requirement is the process of sustaining life on this planet. It is probable that each item on my list makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. What is life? It is anything biological relating to the processes of life, meaning humans, animals, plants. Now, in discussing scientific things, we cannot avoid the question of proof, because in science, everything is questionable. In other words, the proof of any scientific concept will always be open for discussion. That's what Skinner and Merck say, the authors of my textbook, The Blue Planet, which is the source of most of my primary source of information. And regarding the proof of the items on my list, well, they're sort of beyond question, because who would argue? The sun exists, we can see it. The Earth exists, we can stand on it. And Jupiter exists, we can actually see it from our naked eye. Now let's take a look at the items that are vital for our survival. The first item on my list is the Earth's elasticity. When the moon's gravity pulls on the Earth morphs into a squished oblong shape. Now we don't see that from our vantage point, but it's happening. The Earth actually stretches. And if the Earth weren't this flexible, the strain of that pull would literally break the planet apart. So the Earth's elasticity makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. The second item on my list is the sun's energy. Have you ever stayed out way too long in the direct sunlight and gotten a really bad sunburn? Well, I have. And that's just one effect of the sun's rays. And humans are only just beginning to understand the benefits of the sun as a free energy source. But there is one more very significant benefit. It's the process of how plants grow. Without the sun, plants can't grow. And without plants, we can't live. Because not only are they a significant source of food, they process sunlight in such a way that they release oxygen into the atmosphere. And what must we breathe in order to survive? Oxygen. So the sun's energy makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. The third and last item on my list is Jupiter. Now, how could Jupiter possibly affect survival on Earth? Well, there's a flourishing theory that says because of Jupiter's ginormous size and gravitational pull, it takes the bulk of the more enormous impacts from comets and other objects that are free floating around in the solar system. Astrum, a science-based YouTube channel, says that Jupiter is a cosmic vacuum cleaner, protecting the inner solar system planets from devastating collisions, which makes it possible for life to exist on Earth. So what do these three things have in common on my list? It's probable that if even one were missing, that life on this third rock from the sun would not exist. Sadly, many scientists and academics say there is no intelligent designer. But we know that these life-sustaining processes can be attributed to only one source: God. Our God, the creator of this vast and astonishing world. If you read Job's chapter 38 and 39, you'll see that they proclaim that only God could have put these processes into place. He is our intelligent designer. God, let's say it together, makes it possible for life to exist on Earth.